It's our speed networking event for the MBA programs and for the MSBA program here in the beautiful city of San Francisco.
In this event, we had the opportunity to speak with some members from Meta, Microsoft, and Google. So they come around from table to table, and they speak to us more personally than you might expect. And we hear some life stories, we hear about how they got their start, and things like that really help to produce a more rounded experience and give us more opportunity to decide whether that's the path we want to take or something further on.
It's a great event to socialize and network with not only alumni but different industry leaders. It gives you perspective about what's currently happening in come on, you are in Silicon Valley. This is where you need to network. It's a great opportunity to network with alumni, friends, current students, learn about the recent advancements in the tech industry and whatever is happening around the city.
We get to meet alums and industry partners, and we can network with them, understand what is exactly going on in the industry. This program is happening in San Francisco, which itself is a very big plus point. San Francisco is a big AI hub. Having to do this with your peers and with people whom you know is going to give you a real big boost of confidence.
One of the things we tell our students is the best way to network is to be human, because it's at the human level that we build the best networks. We also ask our students to kind of research on the alumni, figure out what firms do they work for or have they worked for. This is a critical part of their educational experience as we help them build their soft skills and help them build their professional journey. We coach our students so that they become the best networkers, the best soft skills personnel in the world of analytics.
As a student, it's not just about what you read in books. It's not just about what you're reading in the news. It's about relating what you've heard and understood around you and framing it in the context of what you're learning and weaving those two together. That is the real value. Advancing your education and pairing it with either industry events or working with industry professionals or engaging with industry professionals is the best way to ensure that you have a holistic perspective for how to advance.